All right, welcome back, everybody. We're going to do a real quick test of the. Well, we had to take our solar system offline for about half an hour earlier, and just want to show you that the rapid shutdown system works. So this is our Tigo rapid shutdown. It's got a module like this attached to every solar panel, and there are these two, I guess, in kind of signal inducers tethered to the lines. So now to activate it, what we have to do is we have to plug in. Oh, what did I do with this thing? Ah, here it is. Okay. So the signal producer is powered by this 12-volt system. So all we have to do to get it back on running is plugging it in like this. And now it's producing the signal, and momentarily you should see the solar come back online. Any second now. There it is. All right, so our rapid shutdown system works. All right, hope this helps you. Good luck.